Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the divisibility test of numbers 6 to 10. Let us begin with the divisibility test of number 6. According to the test, the numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3 are divisible by 6. That is, if the last digit of the given number is even and the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3, then the given number is also a multiple of 6. If you do not know the divisibility test of numbers 2 and 3, the link is getting displayed on the screen currently. Now let us understand this with the help of few examples. Let us take the number 296. To verify whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, we need to check the last digit of the number. If the last digit is an even number, it is divisible by 2. If it is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. So here we can see the last digit is an even number. So this is divisible by 2. Now, to verify whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, we need to add the digits here in the number, that is 2 plus 9 plus 6. 2 plus 9 plus 6 will give us 17, and 17 is not divisible by 3. So here you can see the number 296 is not divisible both by 2 and 3. That means it is not divisible by the number 6. Let us check with the next one. Here the last digit here is 3, which is an odd number. That means it is not divisible by 2. The number sum, the digits of the sum here, that is 4 plus 5 plus 3, is equal to 12, which is divisible by 3. But as the number is not divisible both by 2 and 3, it cannot be divided by the number 6. Let us take the next example. The number here contains the last digit as 6, which is an even number. So this is divisible by 2. The sum of the digits here is 7 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. If this number is divisible both by 2 and 3, it is divisible by the number 6. Let us now start the divisibility test of 7. The divisibility test of 7 includes a series of steps that we have to perform to verify whether the number is divisible by 7 or not. So step 1 is remove the last digit of the number and double it. Subtract from the remaining number. Then the process is repeated, like the steps 1 and 2 are repeated until the difference we get over here in step 2 is a 2-digit number. After that, if the difference is 0 or a multiple of 7, then the number is divisible, else not. Let us understand this with the help of a few examples. So the first question is 1073 divisible by 7? So we will take the number, that is 1073. We will remove the last digit, that is 3, and double this digit. Double of 3 makes it 6. Now we will subtract 6 from the given number, and the answer here is 101. You can see that the answer that we have got over here is a 3-digit number, but we want a 2-digit number so that we can apply the step number 4. So we will repeat the process again with number 101 now. So we will remove the last digit, that is 1. Double of 1 makes it 2. Subtract this from the remaining number, that is 10. The difference here will be 8. Now we know that 8 is not divisible by 7. That means 1073 is not divisible by 7. Let us now take another example to understand the divisibility of 7. If the given number is 2226, we will remove the last digit from the number and double that. So the double of 6 here is 12. Now we will subtract the number that we have got over here from the remaining number. This will give us 0, 1 and 2. Now in this step, if we are getting a 2-digit number, we would just verify whether the number is a multiple of 7 or not. But here, as this is not a 2-digit number, we will continue the same process that we have done till here with this new number, that is 210 now. So we will subtract or remove the last digit. We will double that. Doubling that won't give us anything because this is 0, and we will subtract. So we are going to get 21. Now we know that 21 is divisible by 7. So this number 2226 is divisible by 7. Let us now understand the divisibility test of number 8. According to the test, if the last 3 digits of a number are divisible by 8, then the number is completely divisible by 8. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. Suppose we have a number 24,344. We will take the last 3 digits and verify whether these are divisible by number 8 or not. So here you can see 8 fours is 32 and 8 threes is 24. So here we can clearly see that the number 344 is completely divisible by 8. So the whole number, that is 24,344, is divisible by 8. Let us take the next example. We will again take the last 3 digits of the number, that is 968. We will divide these 3 digits by the number 8. So here again we can see the number 968 is completely divisible by 8, as we are not getting any remainder. So the whole number, that is 15,968, is divisible by 8. Let us now begin with the divisibility test of number 9. The rule of divisibility test by 9 is very similar to the divisibility rule of number 3. That is, if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Let us understand this with the help of few examples again. Here we have a number 78,532. We will find the sum of all the digits that are given here in the number, and this will give us the sum as 25. Now we know that 25 cannot be divided by the number 9, hence this number is not divisible by the number 9. Let us consider one more example now. We will add all the digits given in the number, that is 2 plus 9 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2. This will give us the sum as 18. As we know, 18 is divisible by 9. Hence, this number 29,502 is divisible by 9. The next divisibility test is of number 10. Divisibility test for number 10 states that any number whose last digit is 0 is divisible by number 10. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. In the number 300, the last digit is 0, and this follows the rule, that is, the last digit should be 0. So this is divisible by the number 10. The last digit here is 6, which is not equal to 0. So it is not divisible by 10. The last digit here is 0. So this is divisible by 10.